actually did this like a few days ago, but I'm gonna kind of do a pre-poo moment. It's not really a pre-poo, but it's just gonna be my pre-shampoo treatment. I'm gonna use this Frontal Queen Detangler and just try to help get all of my shed hairs and whatnot out before I wash, so that it just makes washing a lot easier. I love this detangler. Okay, I'm gonna jump in the shower and wash my hair really quick. I'm gonna double wash today, so I'm gonna use the Cécred Clarifying Shampoo first, the moisturizing shampoo after. I ended up having to wash my hair 3 times. So I did it once with the clarifying shampoo, and then I had to do it twice with the moisturizing shampoo. I can't believe how much orange was still in my hair after, because you couldn't even see it anymore. And I already rinsed it like a week or 2 ago. But anyways, my hair doesn't feel awful, but I do want to add something else. I'm gonna use Cécred's Reconstructing Treatment Mask and let this sit in my hair for like 20 to 30 minutes just to add some extra moisture. Oh God, I just dropped so much of that.
I actually ended up washing my hair in the sink, so my hair got really tangled as I was washing, I guess because I washed it so many times. So I'm applying this Reconstructing Treatment Mask, and I'm also doing some finger detangling because it really needed it.
Alright, I've got all this in my hair. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. I might go under a heated dryer during that time, and then I'll be back with clean hair. Okay, it's now 4:36, so 2 hours later, and my hair is all clean. My scalp feels so much better, and I did another conditioner after I rinsed out the Reconstructing Treatment Mask from Cécred. I added the Fenty, just regular conditioner to my hair and left that for a few minutes while I rinsed it in the shower. Okay, now I'm gonna blow dry. I'm gonna use the Cécred Moisture Sealing Lotion as like a leave-in conditioner. Usually I don't like to put a lot of products in my hair when I straighten it because I don't want it to be heavy. But the last time I straightened my hair, I felt like it was so dry. So I'm gonna use this today first. And then I'm gonna use this Infinity Pro Conair blow dryer. I forgot heat protectant spray somehow. So I'm gonna use this Donna's Recipe blow dry and heat protectant spray. And I'm also gonna use like 1 pump of this per section. This is the Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum. Okay, my blow dry is all done. My hair feels nice and fluffy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm gonna kind of double straighten my hair. So I'm gonna start with the Tymo straightening brush just because it helps me get my roots, but it doesn't get my ends very good. So after I use this, I'm gonna go in with my Babyliss Pro titanium iron.
One thing I've noticed with my hair is that I've been getting a lot of single strand knots lately because of wearing my hair in like wash and go styles. So I really wanted to give myself a little bit of a trim today just to get rid of like the knots that were on my ends. I have recently trimmed my hair, so it didn't need a whole lot, but I did want to just clean it up a little bit. My hair looked and felt so much better after giving it a trim and just getting it all clean. After a few days, I wanted to try out this Nadula hair wig. I actually saw this wig on TikTok and I just had to try it. It's a V-part wig, and as soon as I took it out of the box, I was like, I don't know about this because the end's clearly looking real thin. And so I already knew I was gonna have to cut some of that off. It also had like a really strong chemical smell, like it just been given a perm, which I'm sure it had, and so I wanted to wash it. There wasn't a lot of shedding, but there was some, so yeah. And then this was the hair texture right after it was washed. I really liked the way that this wig was constructed, because with a lot of V-part wigs there's like tracks at the top, but with this one there was hair covering the track at the top, so I knew that would help a lot with blending. This hair did have some texture to it, obviously, so I did want to blow dry it just to help obviously dry it, but to also get a little bit of that wave out of the hair. I didn't want to take it completely out and be bone straight, but just a little bit. And I noticed as I was blow drying that the hair started to thicken up actually, so I was very happy with that because it seemed really thin at first. Applying this wig was super easy. I went ahead and parted my hair into a V, and then also parted out just a really slim section on the sides of my head so that I could have edges and whatever. And then for the back, I just braided my hair down. The cap construction, there was 4 clips along the V part, 1 in the middle, and then instead of clips on the side, there were 2 combs, and then 1 in the back as well as an adjustable strap. And then I also didn't notice until later, but there was also a drawstring in the back, so if the wig is like too big, you can pull it and it tightens it up, so that was really nice too. I went ahead and snapped this on, super easy. And honestly, this first day I just wore it as it was. I didn't try to like straighten my hair anymore to like blend it or anything. I just got everything into place and then left my hair in the middle part, and I just thought it was so cute. Like, I think this is a wig that is really easy to wear if you just don't really want to have to do a whole lot. So obviously here you could see that my hair wasn't super blending. My hair is like slightly lighter than the wig is, but not so much that it's like super noticeable. I did go ahead and cut off about an inch off the bottom, and then for the next few days I wore my hair in this little braid style, and I thought it was so cute. And then after that, a few days later, when I was actually going somewhere, I wanted to curl this hair, so I straightened it out from all of the braid waves, and then I used my flat iron to put in some chunky curls, and I just did all of these going away from my face. It was super easy, didn't take a lot of time, and this hair held a curl really well. These were my results when I was done. I really loved how this turned out. I think it blends really well with my hair, and I really like how versatile it is. Like, I've been able to do several different styles with this one wig, and this is not sponsored. I just wanted to try this wig. So yeah, I really love this hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all will subscribe and come back. See y'all next time. Bye.